This is a brief demonstration of assembling and using the portable call center. The first step is to unpack the crate that holds all that you'll need to set up the center. I'll describe a couple of the key components in a few moments, but the most important item is right there on top, the instructions. They're very simple, with only 1 or 2 steps per page. Follow these instructions and the entire assembly takes 10 or 15 minutes. You'll find that unpacking all the components actually takes more time than assembling and activating the system. Once you've got it all unpacked, the next step is to plug in the components. Besides electricity, all you'll need is a single working network or phone jack. Generally, these jacks are orange, but not all orange jacks are activated. If you have a jack for an existing phone or computer, and you know that it works, you can unplug the device you were using and plug the call center in there. Any working network or phone jack will do. You can also test a jack you're not sure about by plugging one of the phones directly into it. If it's activated, you should get a light or two on the phone, followed within a minute or so by the Cisco logo. If you get no lights and no logo, the jack you've chosen isn't activated. Once you've identified an active jack, plug in the Cisco switch. Electricity first, then the data cable. Use the port labeled LAN. Optionally, you can extend the city's Wi-Fi by plugging in the wireless access device. This becomes just another node on the city's wireless, but now it's right there at the place where you've set up the call center. If you could log in on the city's wireless before, you'll be able to log in using the call center's wireless. It also serves up the city's guest network. The last step is to plug in the phones. Unwrap the cable around each phone and plug it into any port on the Cisco switch. Each phone will take 2 or 3 minutes to become completely initialized, but there's no need to wait on a phone before starting the next one. Plug them all in and everything will be working in about 3 minutes. So how will the whole thing work? If someone calls 283-4730, all 6 phones will ring. They'll all continue ringing until someone takes the call at any one of the phones. If another call comes in while the first call is still going on, the other 5 phones will ring, again until someone takes the call. This will be the pattern up to having 6 phone calls going on at the same time. In addition to those 6 concurrent calls, 4 calls can be queued up, waiting to be answered, so the system can handle up to 10 calls at once. If all of these 10 slots are busy, the next caller will get a busy signal. Also, you could forward any city phone number to this phone system. I could forward my phone number, 283-7676, to the call center's main number, and then publicize 283-7676 as the number the public should call. The portable call center has been acquired, packaged, tested, and documented so anyone can grab it and use it on short notice. IT will always be glad to help, but the system has been designed so you can set it up and operate it without technical assistance. If you want more information about the call center, contact us here in IT. If you'd like to borrow it for a few days, let us know. We'll drop it off. Thanks. This concludes the demo of this call center system.